FastAct Equipments Limited, India's leading provider of emergency response products, has come out with a breakthrough technology, FastAct, or First Applied Sorbent Treatment against chemical threats. FastAct is a single-window solution for neutralizing top 27 industrial and toxic chemicals and vapors. It even neutralizes chemical warfare agents. FastAct is a combination of common metal oxides, namely magnesium oxide and titanium dioxide. The uniqueness of FastAct lies in its unique morphology. It consists of nanoparticles or particles less than 5 nanometer in size. The technology behind FastAct was initially developed in association with the United States military and was aimed at neutralizing chemical warfare agents. Asker's partners in the USA, Nanoscale, worked further on the technology and expanded its utility to include a large number of industrial toxic chemicals in addition to the chemical warfare agents. With the support of the National Science Foundation, Nanoscale came up with a way to mass-produce FastAct, ensuring its widespread utilization across industries. If a bottle of concentrated sulfuric acid was to get spilled accidentally, what would a typical industrial worker do to neutralize it? Thus far, Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti, or an absorbent like lime or chuna, was being used to contain the spill. A pH test confirms that the resultant mixture is as toxic as before. Thus, using an absorbent merely transferred the toxicity from one place to another, while doing nothing to neutralize the actual threat. FastAct is different. FastAct is made up of nanomaterials and free radicals. Nanomaterials are agglomerates having very high surface area for giving volume. Its constituents also have an incomplete molecular structure. All this allows them to react with substance using ionic bonding and neutralize a very wide range of chemicals. When FastAct is applied on the same concentrated sulfuric acid, it immediately starts reacting with the chemical and neutralizing it. A pH test with litmus on the resultant compound confirms that it is safe and can be disposed safely. In this demonstration, a technician wearing suitable personal protective equipment floods a sealed chamber with anhydrous ammonia. He uses a ppm monitor tube to check the amount of ammonia in the chamber. The chamber has more ammonia than the maximum amount the monitor can read. A FastAct pressurized cylinder is used on the vapor hazard. The FastAct powder is easily airborne and gets suspended in the air for about a minute. Now when a second reading is taken, the monitor shows a reading of 16 ppm. The reading reduces to 9 ppm in 3 minutes and 6 ppm in 5 minutes, confirming that FastAct has successfully neutralized the vapor threat. FastAct is highly effective on phosphorus compounds. Generally, poisons and pesticides are phosphorus-based. FastAct is also effective on sulfur compounds. Hydrogen sulfide is a leading threat to life in the petroleum and mining sectors. Organic compounds including aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Nitrogen-based compounds. Halogen-based compounds. Chemical warfare agents like mustard gas. It is one of the most notorious chemical warfare agents since the First World War. Nerve agents. GB, GD, VX, sarin. These were widely deployed during the Cold War days by both the sides. Also used in Iraq and Syria. These CWAs, or chemical warfare agents, are widely used by the adversary for widespread effect. There are certain chemicals FastAct doesn't totally neutralize, but highly degrades their toxicity through adsorption. The product is totally safe on human beings, and the relevant test reports are available. FastAct is available in 3 easy-to-use packages, keeping in view the deployment and application needs. FastAct is available in pressurized cylinders. FastAct cylinders are effective in neutralizing vapor or gaseous hazards. These cylinders are charged with dry nitrogen as propellant, and a 1 kilogram pressurized cylinder can neutralize an area of 1000 cubic meters. FastAct is also available in individual decontamination mitts or gloves. The mitts are seal-packed that can be individually distributed and used when required. 3 mitts can neutralize a fully kitted emergency response or defense personnel. The shaker bottle is easy to use on liquid and solid spills. It is also available as a wall unit for facilitating use in emergencies. For deployment in various establishments, FastAct dispersal devices can be customized to suit user requirements and tactical needs. The amazing FastAct can even neutralize the toxic fumes of fire, a concept not even thought of even after a great tragedy of Upahar cinema, wherein majority of innocent people died due to asphyxiation. With the exception of carbon monoxide, it is effective on all other toxic fumes of fire. FastAct has been successfully deployed by organizations like Reliance Industries Refineries, Container Corporation of India or CONCO, National Civil Defence College, National Fire Service College Nagpur, Karnataka State Fire and Emergency Services and DRDO after due diligence. FastAct can be highly useful in reducing casualties in accident-prone industries like emergency responders, oil and gas industry, printing press industry, chemical and pharmaceutical industry, disaster management teams, underground mines, paper mills, fertilizers, paints and dye industry. Even laboratories, including forensic labs, can engage to enhance the existing levels of human safety. FastAct has been proven for its high level of effectiveness by reputed laboratories across the world like Edgewood Chemical and Biological Center and Battelle Memorial Institute, Ohio, USA, TNO Laboratories, Netherlands, and RMIT University, Melbourne, Australia. The product is certified by Lloyd's Register for neutralization of H2S. By bringing FastAct to India, ASCA has once again proven themselves as providers of disaster mitigation technologies that are ahead of their times. For ASCA, it is just a way of life.